Welcome to Quha Zono X training. In this video, we will explore and explain everything about Zono X. So without further ado, let's get started. The Zono X is a mouse, more specifically, a head mouse, meaning that by controlling the cursor movement with your head, you can use a computer, tablet, phone, or AAC communication device seamlessly. The Zono X is supported on all major operating systems like Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and Linux. The first thing to notice is the Zono X mouse, the ear clip, the magnetic snap charger, a USB-C charging cable, an eyeglass clip, replaceable ear tips, the Quha Dwell software license, and necessary paperwork. To charge, connect the USB-C to the dock and plug it into an adapter or a computer. Then take the Zono X and just snap it into the dock to start charging. The LED light will flash green, indicating charging. We also need to attach the ear tip to the earpiece, just like this, and we are ready to begin. To use the Zono X mouse, you need to connect it to a computer or mobile device via Bluetooth. The Zono X can connect to 4 different devices and switch between them. To do that, we need to pair it with a device. To pair the first device, turn on Bluetooth on your device. Then press the power button on Zono X for 1 second. It will make a power-up sound, and the LED light will flash Quha Blue once. The LED will then flash blue and red alternately, meaning that the Zono X is in pairing mode. To pair, select Zono X after it appears on your device screen. Once the Zono X is connected and appears in the connected devices list, the LED will flash green every 5 seconds, and the mouse cursor will appear on screen. Once a device is paired and connected, the Zono X will automatically connect to the device when in range without needing to go through the process again. To pair the second device, turn off Bluetooth on any previously paired device if it's in the same space, so the mouse can't connect with it automatically. Turn on Bluetooth on the new device to be paired and enable, adding a new Bluetooth device. To put the mouse in pairing mode, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until the LED starts flashing blue and red alternately. Now just select Zono X when it appears on the list of available devices on the screen. Now that the Zono X is paired with multiple devices, you can switch between them, meaning you can use multiple devices by swapping between them. To easily switch between devices, all the devices must have their Bluetooth on and be previously paired with the Zono X. This feature is available for up to 4 devices. Now, to switch using the power button, simply click it once briefly, and the mouse will control the next paired device. Unpairing a device is just as easy. Just remove or forget this device in the Bluetooth list on your computer or mobile device to unpair the Zono X. To turn the mouse off, press the power button for 1 second. Resetting the mouse means that the mouse does a factory reset, returning to the condition it was in when in the box. To reset the mouse, press and hold the power button for 15 seconds until you hear 3 beeps and the LED turns red for a while. Place the ear clip on your right ear, loop the hook behind the ear, and insert the tip into your ear lightly. Then, just bring the Zono X close to the magnetic holder and let the magnet snap it into the correct position within the holder. First, fold the clip around your eyeglasses so that the magnetic slots remain below the eyeglass arm. Then just bring the mouse close to the slot to attach it. Additional wearing accessory for the Zono X, like this headband, also connects to the Zono X through magnets, snapping it in place. The headband is adjustable and easy to use in various positions. The end user can simply turn it around to use the mouse from the left side as well. Using the Zono X mouse is intuitive. When you move your head to the left, the mouse cursor on screen moves to the left, and so on for any directional movement. The end user can adopt its use in just a few seconds. Clicking is a major part of using a computer or mobile device. As such, the Zono X accommodates various methods and ways of clicking for the diverse needs of the user. The Dwell 2 software makes using the mouse even more convenient and faster, as it is developed in sync with the Zono X. To use the software, first download it from quha.com/downloads. and then install it by following the instructions. Once installed, the Quha Dwell 2 icon will show up on the desktop or mobile device screen. Click it to launch Dwell 2 and start using. The circular menu can also be personalized with preferred functions and can be edited as well. To use a physical clicker button, a Zono X headband accessory is needed, to which both the Zono X and the clicker would be connected and used. The Cento Puff switch is an accessory that makes the click when the user puffs on it. The Cento Puff is used with a headband. This switch is ideal for users who have almost no ability to move their hands and fingers. You can use the mouse without the setup software, in which case it will run on default settings. But to personalize the features of the Zono X, it is recommended to install the software and get to know the features. Currently, the setup software is available on Windows and Android. Download the software from quha.com/downloads. Run the software and follow the on-screen instructions to complete installation. Once done, a Quha Zono X icon will appear on the desktop or mobile device screen. Double-click the icon to launch it. This feature controls the amount of head movement needed to move the mouse cursor on screen. You can adjust the horizontal or vertical sensitivity with the sliders and make head movement more comfortable and convenient for users. The tremor filter removes and mitigates unwanted or unintentional cursor movement caused by shaking. You can also turn the gestures feature on the Zono X on or off. The wearing side can also be chosen, whether left or right. The double-click assistant helps to keep the cursor in the same spot for ease of double-click. The length of the delay can be controlled with the slider. All the notification sounds can also be turned off and on. This is dependent on the type of user, as there is a trade-off with battery life involved. There are many functions that users need to perform repeatedly when using a computer or a mobile device. These functions are built into the Zono X as gestures. Every gesture starts with keeping the mouse still for 1 second. To activate, move the cursor right, left, left. To scroll, move the cursor up, down, and then with further head movements, you can scroll up or down. To exit scrolling or pause mode, move the cursor right, left. To center the mouse, move the cursor right, left, up, down. Multi-device switching can be made with squares. To switch to the next device, hold still for 1 second, then move the cursor right, up, left, down, and clockwise for previous device. Extra cushioning in the contact areas might help some users feel more comfortable. Cento Puffs are recommended to be used by one user only. And if there is anything that the users need help with, they can always contact us at support@quha.com. Hope you had a wonderful, useful, helpful training and have absorbed the information needed to help users get the best out of their Zono X. Revisit the various sections to familiarize yourself with the manual. Until next training.